In this video, you'll learn how to invite a team member and assign cards to them in Placker. Placker can really improve the communication and productivity of your team. That's why it's important to include everyone in your board. This can be done by clicking the title of the board, going to Members tab. To add a member, type his email address, and if that person still doesn't have a Placker account, he or she will receive an email. The person automatically becomes part of your board and your subscription. You can change their roles, their access, delete members if this board was created in Placker, otherwise they should be removed in Trello, and also change the color. When you're done editing, close the window. Now you're set to assign cards to each member by clicking the card, showing the empty attributes, and clicking Assign Members to select one or more member to execute the card. It is important to add a member to each task to ensure there's always somebody responsible for that. And that is how you assign members using Placker.